Home is where your story begins. I got that magnet for my dad for my thrift shop for a present. It's his birthday this year, 2023, I believe. Today is Tuesday, 24 October 2023. And I was thinking through, okay, if people want to put a Tanis Diet, they're like, I want to do a Tanis Diet video on my channel. What might a Tanis Diet video look like? So I'm going to do a breaking diet video. I was doing maintenance day. But I'm going to show like a splurge or a raid, a kitchen pantry fridge raid. So this is some of what we have in the fridge. We've got leftover vegetables from a lemon chicken recipe my dad makes. We got some English cucumbers. We got a casserole my dad made today. There's some chicken, scrambled eggs, pumpkin, cupcakes, a butternut bisque, some more of that stuff, more chicken, hamburger patty, a bunch of different stuff. We got apples, my cabbage, Haagen-Dazs yogurt, cheese, more cheese, cured meats. We got condiments. We got a lot of Haagen-Dazs. We got Klondike bars. We got a bunch of breakfast sandwiches. We got some Eggos. We got little mandarin oranges. We got some bread. It's a nice bread. We got bread. We got English muffins. We got a brioche bun. We got a Kona dog. He's like, don't forget about me. I want to eat too. We got some Bavarian meat. I am Bavarian as in German. We got some candies, including Reese's. We got some potatoes. We got some spicy brown mustard. We got saltines, a bunch of canned stuff. We got my rice checks. We got Pop-Tarts. We got, what are they? Cinnamon brown sugar. My sister's favorite type of Pop-Tarts. Got some of the Reese's. All right. I want people watching this video as I'm filming it, which actually I think is possible. Or I'm crazy. Or both. Crazy for doing this. You decide what I'm gonna eat. Oh, there's cookies. Two. Okay. All right, what do you want? Somebody said cookies. All right. Kona's like, what do I want? I have a couple more adventures planned for this month. It's October 2023, before the end of the month. So I'm not gonna actually try and like lose the weight I gained through the end of the month until November. Because Thanksgiving's not till like, what, the 3rd or 4th week of November? So we'll see how it goes. All right, somebody said cookie. Yeah, half of a tiny cookie. Cupcake, somebody said cupcake. And we'll get to see who's saying that. Who's providing the ESP feedback. Kona's like, me. Kona wants part of a hamburger. Hamburger. This is, I think they're pumpkin, or are they carrot cake? Or strawberry cheesecake or pancake? Should I do a whole one? Okay, we'll do a whole cupcake. This is from Tom and Jane Doherty. How about something healthy? How about some vegetables? Watch out. So we got, this is cabbage and rutabaga. And I don't remember what the other stuff is. I think this one is the rutabaga. Or it's a turnip and a rutabaga. Ooh, so good. More cabbage. The bisque. All right, we've been in there too long. This is a lot of yellow food, you guys, and orange. Kona's like, don't forget about me. Now I am trying to finish this in this video, so I'm not going to do that much. What should I call this? Is this a Halloween plate? Color-wise, maybe. But I'm missing the black. I should throw a Reese's Klondike on there. Alright. Here we go. How about Suzie's Spicy Brown Organic Mustard? That's for the burger patty. All right. Up first. So if you want to, this is a Tanis Diet approved once it's uploaded and published. Where to start Tanis Diet on the YouTube channel. Don't forget about the dog. That's why I put a picture of the dog. It's Kona. Right there. Alright. Let's start with the cookie. Beverage is water. This is a pretty good example of how a splurge can come about. I usually do it like one item at a time though. But for the performance, I'm doing it differently. Alright, what was the next thing? Was it this one? Thank you, Tom and Jean Dorgy. That looks like a carrot cake to me. It's very good. This is from them, as is the bisque. I don't remember who the cookies were from. I'm slowing down. If you were here, you could finish the rest for me. So this is a butternut squash bisque. Woo! Tastes different after a sweet cupcake. So much sugar. The last one. No, it's readjusting. This might be what, half a cup of bisque. Butternut squash. veggies. So I think this is a turnip or a rutabaga. And this is a turnip or a rutabaga. I think this is the rutabaga. And this is the turnip. Either way. This is the cabbage. This was made by Dad. My dad. He's still alive. He did have a stroke when I was approximately 12 or 13 years old though. It was very scary. And he has lost his father. And my mother lost both her dad and her mom this year, 2023. Within about 6 weeks of each other. So, I thought a loss of one parent was hard. Man, she just got slammed. Both parents died. My dad has been very considerate on helping her through, and I'm trying to be. She doesn't really complain about it. Which is pretty good. I mean, that's the difference between one parent dying and two parents dying. But my dad didn't complain when his dad died either. It was just a readjustment. And neither of them profited off of the death of their parents. That takes a very different low-life human type than runs in my family. Are we gonna make it? Possibly. 15 minutes or less. The patty is well seasoned even without the mustard. And I think this is the like 95% lean. Per packaging. So lots of protein. I thought about doing a video like this a long time ago where it was like, that's gotta be like one of the weirdest videos I've filmed. Dad cooked the meat patty. Almost there. Happy first splurge video for me, Tanis Diet. Thank you for tuning in.